What's up, guys? What's up? This video is not really like nothing crazy or like don't have no next like major topic. I just wanted to do a topic basically to say always think positive. You feel me? Like sometimes when you are a part of like the spiritual community and the Haitian VODOU community in particular, sometimes you'll get stuff done and you know you won't really see results yet, but you got to be patient. You feel me? Like you really got to be patient because you never know what's in store for you in the future. You feel what I'm saying? Like really imagine how difficult it is to change a person's reality. Like put yourself in the spirit shoes for a second. You feel me? Like imagine how difficult it is to change a person's whole reality. Imagine how difficult it is to be able to like make somebody go from nothing to something. You feel me? Just really ask yourself, like do you really think it's that easy for the spirit to just fucking bless the shit out of you and then just put you in a mansion and put you in like a, you feel me? It takes time, man. It takes time, especially if you're trying to do things the correct way. Especially if you're trying to do things where, like, you feel me? You could pass your shit on to the future generations and all that. But that's what you gotta do, bro. You gotta be patient because good things come to those who wait. You feel me? I think there's a Haitian proverb that goes, "Ale rapide pa bay." You feel me? Ale rapide pa bay. You feel me? So it's like, slow and steady wins the race, guys. And stay positive. Always stay positive. Always like expect positivity. Always expect shit to get accomplished. You feel me? That's what pretty much helped me throughout my journey. Because like, if I was a fearful person, man, fear would have prevented me from accomplishing so much things that I could accomplish in the past couple of months. And just the whole like going to Haiti thing, for example. Like I would go to Haiti at least twice a year, shit like that. You feel what I'm saying? And it's like, if I was not a positive thinker, I would have been like, oh my God, if I go to Haiti, I'm gonna get kidnapped, I'm gonna get this, or I might get robbed, or this or that. You know what I mean? Like, but I thought positive. I had faith. I was like, you know what? The spirits got me. I'm good. Whatever happens, I know the spirits got me. And I already put in my mind, like, even though I'm a positive thinker, I already put in my mind, like, okay, yeah, something might go wrong. And if something does go wrong, I'm going to just, you feel me, stay positive. God forbid I was to get kidnapped or some shit. I'm going to stay positive, and I know that I'm going to make it through. You feel me? And I feel like with that mindset, whether you're doing spiritual work or not, you're always going to progress. And that's basically like the message I wanted to share with you guys. Like, stay positive, believe in yourselves. If you have a root worker or a spiritual worker, believe in that nigga. You feel me? Give him some time. Wait for the results. Let the spirit do what the spirit got to do. You feel me? Like, comment, subscribe, share your thoughts and all that. And yeah, you know how to throw the pink on. It's Fueda Day and all that. You know what I'm saying? It's Fueda. You feel me? Fueda. You know Fueda. She like gold. She like all that fancy shit. I don't got my rings on because, you know what I'm saying? Like, I really like wear my rings too much because I be around Zoes and all that. I don't want nobody judging me or looking down on me or something like, you feel me? Because there's a lot of Haitian people out there who look down on practitioners. So I don't personally don't care if a person looks down on me for what I believe in, but you feel me? I just do it just to, you know what I'm saying, like, to stay low key and shit. But I got rings. I got a foot that ring, nigga. That's wifey, you heard? Today Thursday and all that. Throw the pink on and all that. You know what I'm saying? For the rich lady. Throw the pink on for the rich, what you call it? Empress. The rich queen. Yeah. Ah, boo boo.